Hi again, Subtraction fans. I am here on page 39. Let's follow along as we do some marking of our practice questions. So I'm going to start with the estimate for these questions, starting at question D. 56, take away 18. Just as a quick estimate, I'm going to round 56 up to 60 and 18 up to 20. 60 take away 20, that's my estimate is about 40. Let's see if our answer comes out close. 6 take away 8 I cannot do, I'll have to borrow. So I'll make that a 4, bring 1 across. 16 take away 8 is 8. 4 take away 1 is 3. My final answer 38, pretty close to my estimate of 40. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's do another estimate. 60, I'll round it down, take away 33, I'll round that down to 30, so 60 take away 30, I'm going to estimate the answer is going to be about 30. 2 take away 3 I cannot do, I'll have to borrow. That'll become a 5 and I'll bring the 1 across. 12 take away 3 is 9, 5 take away 3 is 2. 29, my estimate was 30, pretty close, that must be a pretty accurate, I haven't made any silly errors, great. 96, take away 28, I'll round that up to 100, and that to 30. 100 take away 30 is 70. It would be very similar to estimating 10 take away 3 is 7, 70. Let's see, 6 take away 8 we cannot do, I'll have to borrow. 16 take away 8 is 8. 8 take away 2 is 6. My final answer 68. Again, very close to my estimate of 70. So I know that I haven't made any silly errors. Okay. 41 take away 24. I'll estimate 40 take away 20 is about 20. I'll hope for an answer that's close to that. 1 take away 4 I cannot do. I'll need to borrow. And bring it across. 11 take away 4 is 7. 3 take away 2 is 1. My answer 17, pretty close to 20, so I can be pretty confident I haven't made any silly errors in my working. 76 take away 39, let's start with an estimate. 76 rounds up to 80, and 39 rounds up to 40, so 80 take away 40 is 40. Now let's do our subtraction. 6 take away 9 I cannot do, I'll need to borrow. 16 take away 9 is 7. Now 6 take away 3, 37. 37, again pretty close to 40, so I can be pretty confident in my answer. 97 take away 68, let's do some estimation. I'll round that up to 100 and round this up to 70. 100 take away 70 leaves us with 30. 7 take away 8 cannot do. I will need to borrow. Take 1 from there, it becomes 8 and bring it over here. Now 17 take away 8 I can do. That is 9. 8 take away 6 is 2. My final answer 29. Pretty close to 30. I'm pretty happy and pretty confident I haven't made any silly errors. Okay, that first section is done. Now let's have a look at this bottom section. What is the digit behind the star? So there is a finished problem, the answer's already there, but there's obviously a digit missing. This is going to require some problem solving. 2 take away something equals 6. Well, obviously, 2 take away anything isn't really going to end us up with 6. What if that 2, I think they maybe have done some borrowing like we did above. If I just add the 1 in there, 12 take away something equals 6. 12 take away 6 would equal 6. What if the star is 6? Let's see if this works. 12 take away 6 equals 6, yes. And we borrowed 1 from over here, remember? So I'll have to change that to a 6. 6 take away 5 equals 1. So yeah, I'm pretty happy and pretty confident that the star equals 6. Let's go to the next problem here. Something take away 9 equals 5. This is going to be more tricky. Well, something take away 9 equals 5. What would... We know that there's probably going to be some borrowing here again, based on the rest of these questions in this sheet. So let's have a go down that path and see where it takes us. If I change that to a 7 and bring the 1 over here, 10, if we would imagine that that's a 0, 10 take away 9 would equal 1, not 5. So it must be more than 10. What about 11? If it were a 1 and it were 11 take away 9 would be 2. Alright, so we're getting closer. We're not quite there yet. Okay, I'm going to jump from 11, let's try 13. If the star were a 3 and this was 13, take away 9 would leave us with 4. So not quite there. One more. Let's try 14. I'm going to put a 4 down there to remind myself. 14 take away 9 equals 5. Awesome. So I do think that that is a 4, and I think that we've borrowed 7 take away 5 equals 2. Yep, that works. So the star must be a 4. Let's check this last one here. 9 take away something equals 4. Well, again, I'm guessing that there's going to be some borrowing involved here, so let's have a go at that. 19 take away something equals 4. 19 take away something equals 4. What's 19 take away 4? That would be 15. But 15 couldn't fit in this one spot. Maybe there isn't borrowing involved. This was a 7 originally. Take away 5 equals 2. Oh, that works. So it can't actually be a 6. I think they've thrown us a little tricky one at the end. 7 take away 5 equals 2. I'm going to scratch out my 1 there because I don't think there is actually borrowing in this one. They're trying to trick us. 9 take away something equals 4. Well, 9 take away 4 would leave 5. Does that work? 9 take away 5 equals 4. Yeah, it does work. The star must be 5. How did you guys go?